5 spectacular beaches, a steep peak and a helicopter rescue. We do a horseshoe loop around Sai Kung as we count down Hong Kong's 10 best hikes.
Welcome back to Jordan Fro. We're counting down Hong Kong's 10 best hikes, and today we're at number 3. Where are we going?
We're going to be doing Horseshoe 2 with a little bit of a twist going up Sharp Peak. This would be my number 1 for sure. Absolutely love this hike. It's going to be a great day.
Cool.
Let's get going.
Let's go.
There have been many attempts to rank Hong Kong's best walks, but we believe we've come up with a formula that outdoes them all. We took weeks to gather data and come up with our top 10 list. For this hike, we start with a taxi ride to the High Island Reservoir East Dam, where we take a quick peek at the Geopark before slinging our rucksacks and setting off on the Horseshoe Trail Section 2. We're really lucky this morning. It feels like we've got the perfect temperature. Still early in the day, just 9:45 in the morning, so we'll see how things develop. But at the moment, fingers crossed, we're going to have a great day. The trail takes us over a small hill to the first of 5 beaches we'll cross today, Long Ke Wan. It's a popular spot for campers and day trippers wanting easy access to a remote beach. We have a long day ahead and need to keep moving. So this hike starts fairly gently. There's a small up and then a long descent down to Long Ke Beach. But after that, you have to really get your hiking boots on, because we are just coming to the end of a very long climb that brings us up to this pavilion from where we can start our descent down towards Sai Wan.
Wow, look at this view!
This is amazing.
Sharp Peak over there, Sai Wan down there. The best view you can get in Sai Kung.
There are a few shops and restaurants in Sai Wan if you need to stock up, but best not to stick around too long as the lion's share of the hike is still ahead. If the surf is up, you'll get a chance to watch Hong Kong's most dedicated surfers out at sea. The hike from Sai Wan over to Ham Tin, the next beach, is gentle and takes about 45 minutes. Walk to the end of the beach and cross the rickety bridge.
Slowly. No, seriously.
Oh, I love having fun with George. Then continue over to Taiwan, the longest of the sandy beaches. After that, there's one final short crossing to Tong Wan. So George, we're going to go up.
Yeah.
We're at sea level. We'll get up almost 500 meters up there.
Going up to Daddy Sharp Peak.
And now it's time to climb. Just look at these views. This is a magnificent walk. I really don't think it's ever going to be beaten as Hong Kong's best walks, but there are 2 more above this that came up higher when we did our ranking, so we're going to give them their fair dues. But today, well, it's a beautiful day and this is really a cracking walk. Now we've got to get right up there. The 500 metre ascent up Sharp Peak is not easy, but the Mai Fang Teng Ridge makes it a little gentler than going straight up. To allow a little time to take in the breathtaking view from the top, bearing in mind there are still several hours ahead to make it off the trail.
So we finished Sharp Peak and now we're trying to get out. We think it's about a 2-hour hike. We've got now an hour and a half left of daylight before it goes dark. So I'm hoping we're going to make it out just in time. Of course, we've got torches on our phones if we need them, but still a ways to go.
As we come down, a helicopter circles below us before dropping a line and winching up a distressed hiker. Hong Kong's government flying service performs hundreds of such rescues every year, many of which are trauma cases from injuries sustained on the trails. It's an important reminder of the dangers of being out here. To get off the trails, we hike down to the picturesque fishing village of Sai Kung, and then, as the light falls, slowly make our way down to the road at Pak Tam Ao, where we can get a bus back to Sai Kung.
Well, that's the end of this episode. It's been 20 kilometers. It's been an absolutely stunning day, and this is a remarkable walk. What do you say, George?
This is the longest hike I have ever done in my life, and this video will be the evidence of how DJ tortured me. DJ, I hope next week will be easier.
Okay, we have a clue for you for next week. It's a ridge walk. It's going to start with a rock. We're going to go to a peak and we're going to finish on a cliff. If you know the answer,
comment down below.
Comment down below. As always, please like and subscribe when you see this, wherever you see this, in fact. My name's DJ.
I'm George.
And this
is Drown and Burn.